Sup everyone, we're back from Queensland. We're here in the Squid Shack. It is filthy. There's literally like, yeah, there's stuff everywhere. The car's seen better days, and as you know, dropped the valve and don't know the outcome of the engine just yet. So that's what we are going to be doing today. We're going to pull the head off, inspect everything, see if it's done any damage to the bottom end. I'm assuming the valve has probably got jammed, bent, and the piston's had a bit of a munch on it, but we're going to find out. Looks like it's rained here since we were gone, and the shed has just done a giant pull. Great. It's never done this, so first things first, I gotta pull everything out and clean this mess up. Got everything out of the Sonvia. We got a flat tire somehow on the way home when I was on the trailer. That is why. So yeah, just had to change wheels so then I can push it around. As you can see, it got freaking filthy. That's just from the drive home. Mind you, it is about 22, 23 hours and we drove straight through to get back here. What a mission. Alright. So now a quick rundown of what we're going to do. We're going to take off pretty well everything. Take the coils off, obviously get rid of the water, everything. Take the turbo off. And yeah, we're going to have to take the manifold off so I can get the head off. Maybe. Oh, I might be able to leave the turbo on. Anyway, we're going to rip the head off. So let's do that now. Okay, so obviously it's a new day. Yesterday was my birthday and nothing really sort of ended up happening in the shed here. So yeah, it's the following day. Sorry about that. But now we're going to get stuck into getting the head off. Pretty freaking hot today too. I think it's like 35, 36 degrees. Wind is all hell. And I don't know, the weather's been real weird lately because yesterday it was obviously raining and the shed sort of flooded. But anyway, I had a good birthday. I'm now 29. Yeah, I'm almost 30. That's really scary. It is what it is. All right, let's get stuck into this. Kind of jumped a little bit ahead and I didn't film this bit, but anyway, got the pulley off. Yeah, I can get top dead center now, and then we can pretty much get down to where the head bolts are, undo the head bolts, and I'm just going to pull the entire head, manifolds, everything off at once. But I'll probably just use my engine crane just so I can get it off myself. I'm not freaking big boost. And yeah, oh, one thing, if you are doing this at home, it's happened to me before when I pulled a head off on an RB, is you would think everything's undone, and it's like, why the hell isn't it coming off? But there's actually, I don't know if you can see on here, but right down in there, there's a little nut that holds the head on right in there. It's almost like a locating bolt. So yeah, it's just a little bolt that they put in there. And it's pretty annoying. So there's actually a bolt on the other side as well that I didn't mention. That's right at the back of the head down there. So I've got all the studs out. They were just standard head studs. I actually thought I'd put ARP ones in, but yeah, obviously I didn't when I put the metal head gasket in, and they're sitting right over there. Anyway, so now the head's loose. I'm just going to take the whole thing off.
make sure that nothing is still connected, which it looks like there is one connection. Oh, that's that really crap one. I need two hands here. I don't know if you guys can watch. Everything else is disconnected. And we're good. Alright. So let's jack her up. See what's in store for us. So I've just got the head floating here so we can have a bit of a look at it. Also looking at the piston. So let's have a look to see how much damage we did. It was cylinder 3. Get some light in there. Disregard the head gasket. Oh yeah, we damaged the bore. Doesn't look like much. Oh, there's some chunks everywhere. I don't know if that's fallen. That's just water from, obviously when I pulled the head off. Oh wow. There's been a lot go through this engine. What is that? Cylinder 3 has bent the valve, but thankfully it's kind of just stayed there without smashing the piston too much. I don't know what's going on with cylinder 1 here, but there is some funky ass stuff happening there too. I don't know, maybe you guys can tell me what this is. Something's obviously in there. It's not detonation, surely not. Maybe it is detonation? I don't know. I gotta look at this a bit better. I'm gonna take everything off the head and then flip it upside down and we'll have a good look at it. Obviously clean up this bottom end, like take that gasket off. Still don't really know if I'm gonna get away with this. No, I'm not, because the bore's scored. You know what that means? We gotta build a new motor. Kind of bummed about it, but a little bit excited too. And the best thing is you guys get to see everything about it. Okay, let's clean this up. Okay, so we've got the manifolds off the head. As you can see here. Yeah, it didn't take too long. It's freaking filthy, this thing. But what I'll do now is, more than likely, two hands for that. More than likely strip it down so that I can attempt to get that broken or bent valve out. I don't know what's going on with that one. I don't know. Still don't know what to do yet. Really don't know what to do yet. Because I do have another head with a little bit of work done to it. It's had, can't remember, but one thing I do know is I do have a spare RB26 at the back. That was for the RBM3. Sorry, is for the RBM3 when I can afford to build another RB28. But I have been talking to Chia, so watch this space. And Chia is obviously the owner of Power Tune Australia. So I don't know about you guys, but it would be pretty cool to see an RB28 in there. What do you think, Chia? But yeah, I guess I'll probably leave it at that today, guys. I'm going to stay in the shed for a little bit longer. Not going to film, I just want to get busy stripping that down. And yeah, because it was my birthday yesterday, we've got another bit of a birthday gathering tomorrow with Bree's family, so that'll be pretty cool. And yeah, I guess we'll be back after that day, maybe. I don't know, I got a lot of thinking to do. Any ideas, please chuck them in the comments, guys. Options, even if you know of someone who might have an engine for sale or something, I don't know. I really don't know, because at the end of the day, this engine that was in it was an $800 engine, so I'm not really that phased by it. yeah, it's a pain in the ass that we got to do all this, but when the built motor in that thing let go, I was distraught. I think I sat on the concrete here for probably a good hour just thinking, what the hell do I do now? But it's easy. You just get up, get back into it. Simple. Alright guys, that's it from me. See you later. I know this video didn't really have much action compared to the last, I don't know how many, everything's been drift related, but I want to show you guys all this stuff, so I hope you don't mind. I just hope you guys enjoy this side of the stuff as well, so I'm going to keep doing it. But if you like it, just, I don't know, share it with your mates, tell your mates, like it. Most of you are subscribed and that's awesome, I appreciate that heaps. I'm just here trying to make something from nothing, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. Alright, see you guys.